So this video is replacing fuel filter on a Ford Transit Connect 1.8 TDCi. This is a 2011 model and this will work with most of the Ford 1.8 engines and other diesels. Very simple thing to do yourself. Fuel filters down here, you have 3 pipes on, 1, 2, 3. And it's attached by a clamp here. Now this I think is a T30 that holds it in, however the clamp is just attached here or clipped and it just lifts off like that. So all you need to do is first of all remove the pipes, which when the first one you just push from behind and get a screwdriver in and it should just clip out like that. That should just come off. And the other ones, I think you just squeeze them or push them in. So that bit there you just push in and it should release the clamp. Now what you need to do is get them out of the way a little bit. It's a bit awkward. You should better get your teasel filtered out. Like that. So, like I said, it's held on with this clamp here, which is a Torx screw. It's there, but it's a bit awkward to get anything in there. So it's just easier to pull the whole lot out and then replace with your new one. Is that one. So it's just a T20 sorry, and we have a little ratchet gadget here. That should just slide out. So please bear in mind it is full of diesel, is this, so don't just leave it lying around. All you need to do is remember which way your pipes went as well. Best way of doing that is to take a photo. I've done this a few times so I know which way I go. You'll note on the newer one you have an arrow direction which is inlet and outlet. So the back one here is the inlet, obviously the middle one is the outlet. Make sure you get it the right way around, and next thing to do is to fill it with diesel. So I'm using a silicone funnel and just clamping my fingers around it, but you can use a syringe is better for doing this job. So once you've filled it back up with diesel, now I recommend using a syringe or a jug, just in case of placing it back in the holder and tightening your T20 back up. Put it back in the bracket. Once you're in, all you need to do is reconnect the hoses or pipes and they just pop back on. Next thing you need to do is start your engine, and hopefully your engine will fire over, especially if you put plenty of diesel in your new filter. And that should be about it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and follow for more. Thanks for watching.